is Roxy with Kippert's Trailer Sales, and I was so excited when Chris told me I was going to be able to show you this trailer today. It's a 4-star, a Runabout, Straightload trailer. I want to show you some of the features it has. So we're going to start right here in the dressing room. In here we've got a 2-tier saddle rack and the spare tire, got some bridle hooks and a blanket bar. Nice and roomy, it's carpeted. This is a brush tray on the door. And here we have an escape door. This will take you into the trailer. You have easy access to the horses. Got a nice bar here. So this is an all aluminum trailer, the 4-star is. This particular trailer is 7.5 foot tall and got aluminum wheels on it. All right, now I'm going to show you the inside of this beautiful trailer. So it is a straight load. You've got a lot of body room for it. So if you have a nice big horse, this will be the trailer for you. The ramp it's a 60-inch ramp, so it's got not much of an incline, easy for the horse to go up. Inside here, it's all quiet ride. So what that means is all of your hardware has this kind of a plasticky piece, and it keeps it from rattling to scare the horses. So when you go like this, you can't hear. All right, so you've got that. This whole divider will come out as well. So let's say you want to haul your lawnmower or maybe a little tractor or something. You could take all this out. It's not the easiest thing to do. They do have an option where you can slide the whole divider over. That is an extra option this one doesn't have, but is available. Got a nice solid head shield here, lots of padding, lots of matting, all double wall construction up the top here, lots of ventilation. Got big windows on the side and roof vents in the front, tie rings, and all aluminum floor, aluminum roof, and nice big feed bags in the front. Okay, this is what I was excited to show you. This is a front ramp, so when you walk your horse in the back, you can walk it straight out. And look at this. This has a divider that moves to the side, so you can do either horse right out the front. And this is what you call an easy lift ramp. You can lift it with a finger. So easy to do. Latches right up. There you go.